most of us, most people are ask themselves, why do Christine fight poverty so much? Why is she mad with poverty? You know it very well. We can never be on a round table with the poverty, because the depth of my love for my surrounding, for my people, for my friends, for my family, the depth of love is equivalent to the depth of the hate of poverty. What has poverty done to me or done to my surrounding? I've seen most injustices. I've seen corruption. I've seen sidelining of my fellow people, of my people around me. Even the people who are not around me, they are far, but because they don't have some certain standard as far as finance is concerned, they are sidelined. And you see someone who don't have it, who don't have what it takes to be in the position or to be in that service, is given a privilege, is given a chance to act or to do it because has that requirement of not being poor. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, the lady that says I hate poverty, and my level depth of love for my people is equivalent to my level depth of hate to poverty. This is the reason why I hate poverty, and I tell you, poverty is a bastard. One, before I join you guys today to bring for you two major apps, the major apps that you can go there and make some amount of money for free at the comfort of your home or at the comfort of whatever matatu or wherever you're commuting, wherever you're going. Are you in the kitchen? Are you at work? Are you anywhere? You can use these apps and get some bucks of money. Make sure that your account can never go wrong, can never run dry, or can never go to zero. Make sure that even where you are in that community, is it a church? Is it a government office? Is it a workplace? They should never see you beg or lack money, because the moment they know it, there are some privileges that you'll never get. Now, have you subscribed to Immaculate Show channels? If you haven't subscribed, you guys, to Immaculate Show channels, kindly go and click on the button below of subscribe. Don't forget also to put a notification bell for us to make you remember that we are coming live or we're uploading something. Our objective is very simple. We are there to teach. We are there to hold a hand. We are there to support. And we are there to dispense love. This is why we say our magnitude or our depth of loving you is equivalent to the depth of the thing that don't treat you well. And what doesn't treat you well is poverty. Today we are bringing for you these apps. There are two major apps that you can access on Android, you can access on iPhone. These apps are everywhere. These are the apps that we bring for you that you should not be tempted to say, I don't have money, so I cannot access this app. You should not say, I don't have capital for it. No. You can do it, I can do it. The eligibility is very simple. You have to have a phone and you have to have internet. And without forgetting the passion, the zeal, the consistency, and the will to fight that poverty, the will to fight that monster, as I always tell you. So what is that first one? Let's dive in and see the first one. The first one, I know you know it or you don't know it. It's called Rewardy IO. Rewardy IO is an app that is found on all types of phones, even on your gadgets. You will ask me that who is eligible? You are eligible because you're watching me right now. That means you have an Android phone or you have an iPhone. Then the second part, you have a passion. So if you're watching this channel, it means you have a passion to come out of that need and to fight poverty. What do you expect on this? You expect that you're going to install or you're going to go to your browser and click on this rewardy.io. The moment you put it there, a form will come. The moment the form comes, just fill it. Follow the prompts. If you follow the prompts, you are going to reach on the final stage where they will tell you start earning. What do you expect in this app? In this app, you're going to earn in different ways. It's one of the leading app, by the way, that is dealing with surveys. If you're kind of a person who want to do surveys, you're in the right place. Rewardy.io is very good for you. The second one, there are people who like listening to music. If you know you're listening to music for free, this is the time for you to make money out of listening to music. If you know you watch videos, ads, you watch streams, this is the right time for you. Rewardy.io is there to pay you for that. Then we have taking quiz. Taking quiz is like making surveys. Just go through them and see, are you ready to do this? Above all, Rewardy.io gives you a chance to install apps. When you install some certain apps, you get points. And the moment you get points, you get money. Do you know why I fell in love with this Rewardy.io? It is legit, that is one. The second one, it was rated 4.1 on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is one of the legit and you are there to go. What do we expect on this app? We expect on this app to earn money. Nothing less, that's why we're here. Nothing less, nothing more. How do you earn this money? You'll earn this money in points. Every survey you do or every ad you're going to watch, every stream you're going to watch, every game you're going to play, every quiz you're going to make, you are going to receive points. These points are going to be converted into dollars. The minimum amount of money for you to withdraw is $2. This is one of the best because most of them, according to the Trustpilot survey, most of the apps are always hiking their minimum withdrawal. But this one is among the other apps like QMe app to withdraw less money. How do you withdraw it? This one is so beautiful that you can also withdraw it with PayPal. PayPal, you can withdraw it using your cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. You can also use it by withdrawing through gift cards. When I talk about gift cards, you can use like Amazon. So with it, it is very simple. It has, by the time you're watching this video, it has registered more than 873 registered users. So you can add yours and be the next. I know you're going to say, is it legit? It is not going to harm you because it is free of charge. What you do, go, follow the prompts, fill up the form, and start it. Come and thank us later. The second and last one for today, we are going to talk about branded survey. A branded survey is one of the app also that where you can get very good surveys and get good money by giving your opinions. I know most of us, we have opinions. The other day I was talking to my friend. I'm like, I don't want to regret and start being referred to. That lady was smart. No. Don't die with or don't be referred you are smart. We can use our opinions to make money and at the same time to make our brands. How does this branded survey work? The branded survey is one of the best survey, by the way. You just go there. You'll be an influencer in this. I'm very sure. If you know you have the wisdom and you have the zeal. So what do you need to do here? Here you need to complete the surveys online. The surveys are also there. Different surveys that you're going to see. You will earn in points and these points are going to be converted into dollars also. The moment they are converted into dollars, like for example, 300 points for a survey, which is at least be moderate. It's one of the surveys will be finishing like 300 points. If you get 300 points, those are $3. And these $3, you can withdraw them at any time. How do you withdraw this? You're going to use it through PayPal. You're going also to, you can withdraw through branded pay, or you can use Amazon or gift card. It is rated 4.0 on Trustpilot. And globally, you know, I've told you, Trustpilot is one of the best app that can rate these apps or can rate all these surveys. How do you access this? What you do, go to your browser. Are you on Firefox? Are you on wherever you are? Get your PC, get your gadget, put there branded surveys. The branded survey will come. You'll sign up the form, follow the prompts. You are going to come and give us the feedback of how you feel it is. As I told you, Immaculate Show here, we are there to fight what we hate most. We hate poverty because it intrigues on our rights in our community, in wherever you are. So these are the 2 apps for today that you can choose one of them, or you do all of them if you have time. But if you don't have time, you can choose one and specialize in it. Thank you very much. If you have been blessed, go down and give us your mind, give us your suggestion in the comment section. Don't forget to always share this and come back, give us your feedback. Thank you.